A road. An empty road. Busy roads. Fast. Drive fast. A fast train. Well. Sing well. Dance well. Now. It's cold now. Now he is at the cinema. Dark. It's dark at night. Dark clothes. To see. See friends after school. He can't see well. Can, could.
I can play the piano. I could play the piano 3 years ago. She can swim very fast. She is a good swimmer. She could swim well when she was 8. We can play tennis very well. We could play tennis very well 5 years ago.
She can play the piano very well now. She could play the piano 3 years ago. We can't swim today. Yesterday the weather was very good and we could go to the beach. He can speak French well. And I could understand him yesterday. I can't park my car on this road today. But I could park it here yesterday. Could. We could see our friends after school yesterday. It wasn't very dark and he could see the road well. She could buy that car. It wasn't very expensive. It was a fast train and they could arrive on time. Could he? No, he couldn't.
I could open this bottle. Could you open this bottle? Yes, I could. No, I couldn't. I couldn't open this bottle.
Could she find a brown sweater in the shop? No, she couldn't. She couldn't find a brown sweater, but there was a beautiful green one. Could you speak to him yesterday? No, I couldn't. I was very tired yesterday. Could he read well when he was 6? Yes, He could. He could read and write well when he was 6.
Could they drive fast there?
No, they couldn't. It was very dark and they couldn't drive fast. Read and choose. I was very busy and I couldn't send you that email. There is a cat under your car. Can you see it? They couldn't dance well 5 months ago. Where is your mum? I can't see her. Quiz. Look at the bridge. Can you see the blue car on it? She can drive very well. She is a good driver. The roads were empty, I could drive fast, and there were no people in the streets.